homestyle meatballs. Next, I'm coming in with my beef little smokies, and we're using 1 bag of each of those meats. Now I'm coming in with my pineapple chunks, and we're keeping our juice with our pineapple chunks right on top of our meats. This is gonna be a super easy game day appetizer. Now I have a whole onion that I diced up, and I am using a red onion, but you can use whatever onion you like. I just think red onion goes really well with pineapple and all of those other flavors we're going for. Now we're doing this all in a 9x13, but you could also do this in a crock pot. Time to come in with some barbecue sauce, and I'm using Stubbs barbecue sauce, and we're gonna use this whole jar. And this is gonna be a savory, sweet appetizer with those beautiful pineapples. You can use fresh pineapples if you prefer. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you prefer, but this is how I like to do it. You could even make this a little bit healthier by doing turkey meatballs. All right, and I'm gonna add a little bit of my Worcestershire sauce so it gives it a little smoky flavor. And we're just kind of eyeballing that. I love eyeballing my recipes. Now I'm gonna season this up with the blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. You don't need too much seasoning because there's already a lot of flavoring going on here, but we just wanna make sure that we really punch those meatballs and little smokies with deliciousness that everyone will love. All right, it is time to grab our spatula and get this all combined. Oh my goodness, I can smell everything already. Those pineapples, that barbecue sauce, those onions, everything is so potent. So this is gonna be kind of more of a like barbecue Hawaiian kind of appetizer. Obviously pineapples make it a little bit more tropical, but this is so great for any kind of party and gathering, which is why I had to make it. The playoffs are happening and we need a nice appetizer to snack on while watching the game. All right, I think that's already all mixed together perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. Woo-hoo! This smells so good. Look at those beautiful smokies, the meatballs, the pineapples, the onion. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a spoon so I can kind of ladle some of these out. Put it in my bowl. That should be plenty. And then this is kind of one of those little toothpick appetizers. Get a toothpick and let's let that cool real quick.
Is it good?
Wow, that is so flavorful. You guys are gonna absolutely